Okay, so I am going to attempt to vlog every day. Do you guys think I can do it? Do you guys like that? Are you guys gonna watch? Your girl just had an amazing workout. Like, my trainer, I have the best trainer in the world. I really, really do. And if you guys are just getting started on your fitness journey and you're waiting for it to get easier, please stop. Please. Because it doesn't get easier. You just get stronger. That's my inspo for the day. But yeah, I'm gonna take my daughter, Mariah, to work. Mariah has a job.
Don't show me what
I'm
you
not.
do.
She's in her uniform, so I can't show you her. But she looks so cute. I'm gonna take her to work and then I'm gonna come back and shower. But I have to go. Okay, bye. Hair's thin, so it takes me like 5 minutes to curl my hair. Yeah.
Everything seems quiet. You're the only thing I wanna touch. I'm the plane, you're the pilot. Didn't know that I could feel this much. Save the tears for another day. Save the tears for another day, for another day. Forget about the past. Show me what you got, 'cause right now it's all we have. I hold my breath, waiting for the air to return.
I just got home. I worked out this morning and then I took Mariah to work again. And I found a house. I got a call. Well, let me back up. I woke up this morning and I was like, all right, I'm gonna set my intention for the day. And I was sitting down and I was journaling and I started getting in my head a little because I'm gonna be moving. And so I'm looking for a house, and I've been looking for a few weeks, a month now, and I've had no luck. It's been really hard to find a 3-bedroom, especially in the area that I want to be in. And so I'm like, I'm not gonna find anything, and I was just really stressed and worried. And then I was like, you know what? Stop thinking that. Stop thinking you're not gonna find something, like, because then you're not. So I did a little mantra and affirmations. I was like, I'm gonna find a home. The home is gonna find me. Everything is working out for me. Everything is fine. I'm gonna find a home. My fucking phone rings, okay? As I'm saying this. And I'm like, hello? And he's like, hey, Casey, it's Mr. Realty Man. And he's like, your application has gone through, and when do you want to move in? I was like, August 1st. And he's like, perfect. And he's like, we'll send the lease over. You got the house. And I just like, my mind was blown. My mind was blown. So it's funny how the universe works. So yeah, I'm going to be moving August 1st. I know that I haven't really talked about, what's going on in my personal life, and I'm going to save that for a whole separate video. It'll probably be my next video just because I need to talk about some things before I continue on this YouTube channel. I've been on YouTube for 14 years now, and it's just one of those things, like I can't give up. I want to continue to create and express myself on here and share my journey. A video kind of explaining what, like a life update, more of a personal life update, what's everything that's going on, and just kind of explain to you guys why I'm moving. So yeah, I'll post that video next. I'm gonna sit down and film that probably this evening. It's a new moon tonight, so just a quick little reminder, this is when the moon is the darkest. This is when the ocean's tides are the strongest, and it's really important that we avoid dark thoughts, and we avoid conflict, and we avoid gossip, and we avoid rumors, and we avoid any negative space, and we just really practice being in comfort, practice peace, peaceful thoughts. But yeah, it's about to be a new journey for me. So I'm gonna be trying this out. As you guys know, I'm not bleaching or dyeing my hair, but this is just a gloss. I've read really good things about it. So my hair is pretty brassy right now, so I'm hoping that this will just cool it down, maybe even darken it a little bit, just because my roots are darker than the length of my hair. So I'm gonna try this out. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Formula color will appear stronger than actual result because pigment could temporarily stain hands. Wearing disposable gloves is recommended. Evenly distribute La Color Gloss through clean, damp hair for 15 minutes. Okay. Put it half up and half down just because it's being really funky. My period is due in 2 days, and every single time, I know I talk about my period a lot, but listen, that this is just my life right now. Before my period starts, I have bad hair days every single month. Right before the week before my period, leading up until I start, my hair just feels stringy, and it feels completely different than when I'm in my follicular phase or when I'm ovulating. It's really weird. I don't know. Hormones, right? So I wanted to come in the same lighting where I took the before video of my hair. So you can see it did make it a little richer, a little darker. It's a lot cooler. It's not as warm. It did not cover the grays, but it also says on the box that it doesn't cover grays. It literally just tones your hair. But I think it did a great job. It's a lot cooler, so that's cool. I just filmed this makeup look. It will be up on Monday. It's like a smoky rose look. It'll be up Monday for Makeup Monday. And yeah, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna make for dinner because I have no idea.